Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating piece of technology that can significantly enhance your audio recording experience, the Philips DVT1170 VoiceTracer. We discovered this handy recording device online, and we've added a link in the description for you to check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Philips DVT1170? It's a compact and powerful voice recorder designed to cater to a variety of recording needs, whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone who loves capturing moments in high-quality audio. This device packs an impressive 8 GB of internal memory, which allows for extended recording sessions without the need for constant transfers or deletions. But what really sets this recorder apart is its remarkable 360-degree microphone, which ensures that every nuance of sound is captured with excellent clarity. Let's explore some of the standout features. Firstly, the 360-degree microphone is a game-changer. It picks up sound from all directions, making it perfect for interviews, meetings, and lectures where multiple speakers might be present. This feature guarantees that you won't miss a word, regardless of where the sound is coming from. Another highlight is the clear voice recording capability in WAV format. This provides you with high-quality audio that is ideal for transcription or archiving purposes. The clarity of recordings is essential, especially if you plan to use these audio files for professional work, and the DVT1170 delivers on that front. One of the most convenient features is the voice-activated recording. This allows for hands-free use, meaning you can set it up and let it do the work while you focus on the conversation or lecture. No need to worry about pressing buttons at the right moment. The recorder will start capturing audio automatically when it detects sound. Additionally, the timestamped files feature makes organizing and navigating through your recordings a breeze. With everything neatly labeled with timestamps, you can easily locate specific sections of your recordings without having to sift through hours of audio. This is particularly useful for students who want to find key lectures or for professionals reviewing important meetings. The DVT1170 also offers a micro SD card slot, allowing you to expand your storage capacity as needed. This is a fantastic option for those lengthy projects or events where you expect to make numerous recordings. Coupled with its extra long battery runtime, you can record for hours on end without interruptions, making it an ideal companion for long meetings, conferences, or even creative sessions where you want to capture inspiration on the fly. Now, who is this product suitable for? The Philips DVT1170 is perfect for a wide range of users. Students can utilize it for lectures and study groups, ensuring they capture every important detail. Journalists and content creators will appreciate its portability and high-quality audio for interviews. Professionals in various fields can use it for meetings, brainstorming sessions, and presentations. Even podcasters and musicians may find it beneficial for capturing ideas and sounds on the go. In terms of practical use cases, imagine being in a lecture hall, and instead of taking frantic notes, you can simply place the DVT1170 on your desk and let it capture the entire session. Or think about a busy office environment where you need to record a brainstorming meeting. Just switch on the voice-activated feature and focus on the discussion. The possibilities are endless. In conclusion, the Philips DVT1170 VoiceTracer is a versatile and reliable audio recorder that combines quality, convenience, and functionality. With its high-quality microphone, user-friendly features, and robust storage options, it's designed to meet the needs of anyone looking to capture audio effectively. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.